Welcome, Milano family. We're here now at the Capozzola's beautiful home, and we did 3 of their bathrooms, but we're going to show you the master, but we have a little gift. So we're going to knock on the door, and hopefully she's going to answer. Hello, how are you? This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Let's come on in. Follow us.
Come see our gorgeous bathroom.
Come on, let's go. And oh my gosh, Peggy, it is just
Well, we love the work that you did.
Oh, let's talk about it a little bit, because this is beautifully designed, and I know you picked everything yourself, correct?
That's correct, but you helped.
Oh, thanks. Anywho, so for the cabinetry, and look at this lovely pantry. This is Ice 1, so this is the color. The countertop, of course, is quartz. This is the Armani Gray. But let's talk about the functionality of your vanity. Explain it to me.
Well, I love the vanity. I especially love the double drawers here underneath the sink. It adds a lot of extra room. You know, so.
That's a lot of space. Again, It's got that curve on the inner.
Yeah.
So the pipes are here, so this gives you a lot of space to put all of your taller items. Alrighty, and you continue on explaining.
Okay, well, it's separate vanities, so I have my space, and Joe
so
has
we've got
his space.
a little bigger space. We'll pan over to the smaller vanity in a minute.
But I have the bigger space, so that works out well.
And look at this, though. Look at this large. This is really handy, being that these are big drawers,
yes,
in big areas. Mm-hmm. We're going to look at Joe's vanity. He's got the smaller version of the large vanity with the same countertops, etc. All the faucets and everything, that's from Richelieu. And if you're going to obviously look behind, we see the beautiful Panda. So this is porcelain. Oh, you know what? I want to ask you, Peggy, how do you feel about the porcelain, and how, with the water rushing down and the cleanliness, whatever, is it working for you?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's very easy to clean, easy to squeegee off every time
Exactly.
you shower.
That's what I tell everyone, just squeegee it.
Yeah, and it dries quickly, too. So.
Come on this way. I want to show you the inside. I'm going to actually walk into your beautiful shower here. So if you're going to look down here, this drain, it's a fabulous square drain, but it's slightly facing downward, so the water is going to rush in, and it's not going to puddle on the sides. Over here, this is a small little bench, which is really convenient and beautiful. Of course, in the same porcelain, where you can sit down, you can shave your legs, you can do what have you. This is a really large niche, which is wonderful. So you can put your different shampoos, etc. And then over on the wall here, you can hang towels, you can hang whatever. And the shower is long enough where it's not going to be getting wet. This, of course, the glass is all frameless glass. You know, so it's just functional, beautiful. And if you pan down toward the floor, this is the rock ice porcelain. So this is matte. So there's no slippage, but it's just beautiful how all the colors, everything blend. So we've taken a peek at your whole bathroom, and it's absolutely just fantastic. Can you explain to the Milano viewers that are out in the audience in social media world what the feeling was in working with Milano Kitchen and Bath?
Oh, well, I love the way you waited until you got everything in before you started the demolition. And so that made the whole job go a lot quicker and smoother. So I appreciated that. And I got in, did the work, and they were out of here. So again, when you're remodeling, having a mess is not fun.
It's rough. It's really hard. I remember specifically with the plastic hanging up and trying to minimize the dust. But it is really important for Milano to make sure that we have all of the materials prior to even thinking about starting. So we try and get in as fast as possible. We take our time, though, and do it as best as possible, and that's why we are Milano. So anyway, any other words that you'd like to share?
I would recommend Milano anytime.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for having us in your home again. And thank you, Milano Kitchen and Bath viewers, and we will see you next time.